Now that you're up to speed on the calendar basics of time2u, what else do you need to know? Once the tech has completed their timesheet, it'll show up in the main calendar as a yellow entry ready for approval. If it's been entered incorrectly, the approver can update the shift and then approve it here. If the shift has been allocated to the wrong job, it can be deleted from the system altogether. And if the timesheet was already approved and sent to simPRO, you can delete it in time2u and it will sync seamlessly. There are some circumstances where part of a shift is okay to approve and the other part isn't yet. Simply tick the shift block you do agree with and it will turn dark green, which means there's still more to approve. The tick box is there when you're ready. If there's a lot of people in the organization, make sure you use the filter function to search by team, client, site or job and approve the timesheets in batches.